Here are some ways you can import shaders into the new studio. You can select the material you wish to edit into the material editor and then select a shader from the drop-down. Here I'll be selecting the unlit texture color and tinting the texture red. I can also change the texture from a drop-down as well. Another way to add a shader is to preferably position yourself in the shaders folder and select Assets, Add Prepackaged Shader, which will offer all of the shaders you already had in the drop-down. A third way to add a shader is to use legacy shaders, which you might already have on your disk if you have ever used the studio before. And here I will be experimenting with the background blur shader, and I will select it from the drop-down as well, or I can drag it in here. This one requires an alpha mask, and we will be using the foreground mask. So now we have a background blur effect.